Hi, my name is Bob. I'm from Chicago. Reason why I'm doing this, I have some issues. One is international fathers' rights. I have some issues with that. I have a baby that's a Southeast Asian, Vietnam, and I need a good attorney to help me out. Groups that are activists, I need. Second part, I had a situation with a Honeywell radiator. The maker was KAZ. The product's not made in America, and I tried every way possible not to get attorneys involved and do things civilized. Long story, but I mailed the radiator to them. They declined to do anything. I was in the hospital for a couple days over this matter, and I have some medical issues and tens of thousands of dollars in bills because of this, to say the least. I don't want to go on any further, but perhaps Kaz is right from what they said, which I know they're not. But major thing is there's labeling issues on it. So I'll cut to the chase. It was a radiator that was operated by oil, and the labeling says by air. They said it was upside down, and that's the reason. After about 100 days or nights, that is, of me using it, it eventually caught on fire. For about 100 days, I wasn't feeling so good. Apparently, the oil must have been leaking out, and I was breathing it in. And one day, it caught on fire, and I breathed in a lot of fumes. Smoke detectors went off, and maybe it was the following day or so, I went to the hospital, and they kept me there for about 3.5 days. So there's a labeling issue. It says operated by air. It doesn't say anything about oil. Air doesn't hurt. Oil does. So their claim was it was turned backwards, and that's the reason why it did what it did. So it must have been backwards for 100 days. You know, so you know if that's the case, you know they have improper labeling, number one. But once again, I know it was the other way. But they're going to say what they're going to say. Letter E, number 2, Bobby, Bobbie at yahoo.com. Letter E, number 2, Bobby, Bobbie at yahoo.com. One other last thing. I need another attorney. I lost a $600,000 house due to theft by deception. Chase Bank, a lot of bad paper. I'll tell you more about it. I should be the poster child for trusted people. And when you trust people and they're bad people, you tend to get hurt. And when you're a family person and you're a good person, people do take advantage. There's a book. It's called The Giving Tree. I think everybody should look at that book, look online at the video, and read it, and think about yourself with the book Giving Tree. You know, it was written in 1964 for children, but it's a wonderful book. Once again, my name is Bob. Letter E, number 2, Bobby, Bobbie at yahoo.com. I'm calling from America, Chicago. Thank you very much. I also am an activist with a group. I don't know what to say their name now, but I help out people all the time. I've been doing it for 25 years, 44 years old now. I need help now. And that's about all. Thank you.